Outdoor non-Wi-Fi wireless technologies. So, outdoor wireless networks often take advantage of non-Wi-Fi based solutions. It is important to understand the different technologies available and their potential interaction with Wi-Fi to select the proper solutions. So, wireless backhaul, if we can discuss. Cisco Ultra Reliable Wireless Backhaul. Both Wi-Fi and non-Wi-Fi solutions can enable to support IoT communications. Wi-Fi solutions provide faster data transfer using a shorter signal range. Uh, Non-Wi-Fi solutions are typically slower transfer but offer a longer signal range, like Cat5, Cat6, those cables. As a result, non-Wi-Fi solutions such as Wi-Fi, uh, HALO, Halo, Low, RO, WAN may produce signal interference with the Wi-Fi solution. Connects mobile and fixed infrastructure asset. Extend your network where running fiber is not visible. So you have this long construction site where you cannot place the cable each and every time. So you need wireless at that particular moment. So it can deliver up to 7.8 Gbps data rate. And if there is no interference, basically, it will be always be available 99.995 percentage of the time. The availability is there. Zero packet loss with seamless handoffs. Okay, operates in unlicensed spectrum. So basically, the unlicensed spectrums is where we have 4.9 gigahertz, 5.9 to 5.9 gigahertz. Okay. So Cisco, let's say, have one of the end fiber demarcation devices like FM4500. Then this device can be used to connect point-to-point towers, point-to-multipoint links, then mesh links like one tower is connected to the three towers and three towers back-to-back connectivity it has. Cisco Ultra Reliable Wireless Backhauls or Cisco URWB is a wireless technology which improves connecting moving asset to a network and enables extending existing network without wide infrastructure expansion. This is achieved by using point-to-point, point-to-multipoint, and mesh wireless topologies where running fiber is not feasible or affordable. This technology delivers up to 7.8 Gbps data rate, as we discussed initially, and always available 99.995%. Of course, there is a interference of a wall and everything. It came automatically when you don't know you are out for a month or so somewhere. Um, and it has less than 10 milliseconds of latency, zero pocket loss with seamless handoffs. The proven Cisco URWB, which is ultra reliable wireless backhaul, like we discussed in about Cisco FM 4500 fiber devices, operates in unlicensed spectrum 4.9 gigahertz, 5.9 to 5.9 gigahertz. So the use case is basically the ultra reliable wireless backhaul use cases, oil and gas, campus and education, manufacturing and corporation, as we discussed. Oil and gas basically hard to wire sites such as refineries, oil rigs, offshore platforms, and oil fields. Connect devices, sensors, security cameras, and access equipment, vast areas without the need to trench fiber. Campus and education. Reliable broadband connectivity in hard to wire location within the campus. Connect thousands of scholars while helping campus security officer uh, protects students and faculty members. We can use by security guard. let it be. And manufacturing corporation, easy and secure way to expand a network backbone. Low latency for mission critical condition monitoring, security, and automation in industries. So let's discuss one by one. For oil and gas, Cisco ultra reliable wireless backhaul enables this connectivity with the flexibility needed to adapt existing infrastructure found in large R2R sites such as refineries, oil rigs, offshore platforms, and oil fields. Additionally, it allows you to connect devices, sensors, and security and access equipment that are hard to reach and across wide areas without the need to extend fibers to those locations. Um, Manufacturing and corporations. Cisco Ultra Reliable Wireless Backhaul provides corporations and large industrial plant an easy and secure way to expand their network. URWE products enable high data throughput to extend the network edge with quick and easy deployment as part of network backhaul. URWB also enables low latency, mission critical condition monitoring, security, and automation. Campus and education. Consistent broadband connectivity is necessary for any high school, college, and university. The cost of extending wireless wired infrastructure makes wireless backhaul an ideal solution to provide connectivity in hard to our campus location. Drones and robotics. Unmanned technology is revolutionary in many industries. It requires low latency, reliable, fast connection to robotic system to stream videos and control over long distance. Government and military communication is the core of the successful security and tactical operation. Security and video surveillance used by some of the most elite rapid response and law enforcement agencies worldwide. Mobility, radios deployed on vehicles and fixed structure. Provides seamless handoff, low latency, data prioritization, and intelligent roaming decisions. Drones and robotics. Hmm. Robotic unmanned technology is revolutionizing many industries. These innovations are incorporating more demanding sensor and video platform that require low latency, reliable communication at all times. Government and military communication is at core of successful security and tactical operation. Cisco ultra-reliable wireless backhauls networks are deployed for security and video surveillance by rapid response and low enforcement agencies worldwide. These wireless solutions are used by professionals in hostage situations, war zones, and remote border areas to provide mission-critical connectivity. Mobility, a mobile wireless infrastructure network consists of data connections between radios deployed on vehicles and fixed structure V2I or between vehicles alone, V2I mobile networks and must support seamless handoff, low latency, data prioritization, and intelligent movement. Internet of Things. Cisco Wireless Gateway for LORAW. So, wireless security for low data rate. Um, Wireless security for low data rate, battery powered devices, low data rate and battery powered devices and sensor, Internet of Things endpoints. Wireless communication range of low RA band is 3 miles or up to 4.8 kilometer urban areas, 16.9 kilometer in rural areas. Line of sight. So basically, there is a clear line of sight. So that is where we have getting 16.9 kilometers in the rural areas, and just approx 5 kilometers in urban areas. Operates in sub 1 gigahertz unlicensed spectrum, as we discussed. So unlicensed spectrum in India is 867 megahertz, 865 and 867 megahertz, and for EU, US, and Australia is close to 865 to 867. Cisco Wireless for LORAW, low power long range. Low power long range WAN support physical layer technology. This technology complies with low power long range wide area network sophistication defined by low RA balance to provide low power wide range wireless connectivity for low data rate, battery power devices and sensors. Through the unlicensed sub 1 GHz spectrum radio, a wide variety of Internet of Things endpoints that require low power operation or long range transmission distance can be connected more economically than ever before. Use cases include asset tracking, water and gas meter, environmental monitoring, waste management, intelligent street lights, smart agriculture, and many more. Example in this area of the world use of 1 gigahertz spectrum radio of these frequencies. These are basically free frequency used given by government to use for us. In India, we have 865 to 867 megahertz, and close to that we have for European Union, US, Australia, Thailand. So European Union, for example, it's 863 to 870. US 902 to 928 megahertz. It's a huge range for them. Australia 915 to 928 megahertz, and Thailand 902 to 923 megahertz. Thailand seems to. Low RO provides for long range communication up to 3 miles, 4.828 kilometers in urban areas, and up to 10 miles or more. Okay, Cisco Wireless Gateway for long range and wide area network, long range wide area network for water and gas metering. Smart meters are the foundation of smart metering. Electricity monitor was the first way of technology. Water and gas monitoring is now the second way of technology. Electric monitoring was the first. Monitoring was the first way of technology. Now it's water and gas monitoring is now the second way of. Street lights, significant municipal expenses. Save money while maintaining well lit streets. Optimize luminous intensity when monitor the use of dedicated parking plates for handicap use of smart parking. Monitor use of dedicated parking plates for handicap access. Sensor combined with credit card parking meters for payment. Mobile app displays parking places that are currently occupied or unpaid. Utilities are the forefront of employing IoT technologies on their journey towards digital transformation. The technology leading this charge is smart metering. For utilities, smart metering are foundational in building tomorrow's smart grid, ultimately enabling new operational efficiency, new service opportunities, and new revenue system. According to the recent case by RBI, research for specific geography 2018 showed a base of 617 million smart meters installed over low RA and technology. By 2023, this install base is predicted to more than double to reach 1.34 billion smart. Smart electricity meters are the first wave of technology driving the utility market transformation. The second wave will be deployment of smart water and meters. Electricity from satellite, it is significant municipal expenses, and by better managing it, city can save money and cut greenhouse gas emission by reducing energy consumption. The smart light system provides the data that cities need to reduce energy usage while maintaining well-lit streets. Low-range WAN sensor can provide value and insights for the municipal government controlling resources based on demand. A few examples include water flooding sensor that help the city identify near flooding areas, proximity sensor, and counting sensor that identify the number of people in the areas to optimize light intensity for cost saving. As more cities face traffic congestion, better parking management is needed. Monitoring the use of dedicated parking places such as handicap or police spaces has become critical. While smart parking, low RA van-based sensors combined with credit card-enabled parking meter provides municipalities with low solution for expanding the base of parking infrastructure. The low RO van technology benefits extend the workforce efficiency as well. Use of mobile app parking enforcement officers can immediately see from anywhere where parking places currently occupied or occupied. Attendants need to not to walk specific routes, see vacancies and violation. The ability results in the enforcement for maintaining parking lots and better workforce. Disaster precaution, water leak and security detection sensor reduce disaster cost and may reduce insurance fees. Tracker and motorcycle and automobile to prevent theft. Collect waste in essential city services. Resources are used to collect unfilled waste containers. Management system detects garbage level to optimize the waste collection. Increased noise and air pollution becomes bigger challenges. Data can be improve citizen well-being, introduce help monitor air quality in school. Emerging business model are underdeveloped where insurance companies equip home with low-range WAN sensors to prevent disaster, water leak detection, or security. Insurance companies see significantly reduce disaster cost management, in turn reduce insurance payout and cost. A set of user cases can expand outside the home. For example, a client could put a tracker on bike or car to prevent theft. The home is clearly a space of business model disruption and establish new paradigm between operators and service providers. Collectively, waste is essential city services, but too often resources are used to collect underfilled waste container when containing or overflowing smart waste system. Management system can help detect container garbage level to optimize waste collection using cost. As more people move to cities, noise and air pollution become bigger challenges. Smart noise and air pollution monitoring can provide data that can improve city well-being and systematic evaluation. Air quality in schools is a high potential use because of impact of convenience. 802.11 AH Wi-Fi, high range, high low frequency, long range up to 62 miles, 1 kilometer, subspectrum 1 gigahertz, unlicensed spectrum. Robust connection in challenging environment, penetration through walls also. So Wi-Fi gig for extremely high definition or virtual reality application. You can use wireless gig. Wi-Fi 6 gigahertz, 160 megahertz channels enable next level user experience. Wi-Fi 6. So earlier was Wi-Fi 6E. Now we got Wi-Fi 6, 2.4 to 5 gigahertz. High capacity and speed for most advanced application. 5 gigahertz great for daily use and functionality supports multiple users. 2.4 to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi 4 earlier was good coverage for everyday light bandwidth connected areas. Sub 1 gigahertz Wi-Fi high low frequency, best for long range, low power connectivity, penetration through walls. So, Wi-Fi, HALOW. So, Wi-Fi high-low meets often exceeds the critical requirement for IoT connectivity application. The ability to accommodate many IoT uses, case spanning in range, data range, energy efficiency is paramount for IoT technology to succeed. Wi-Fi HA high-low sub 1 GHz operates in these areas for world at this frequency. Europe 863, 870 megahertz, Japan 950, 958 megahertz, China 779, 786, 787 megahertz, Korea 917, 923, 2923 megahertz, USA 902 to 928. Uh, High low frequency 1 gigahertz and narrow channels enable to longer range approximately 1 kilometer as well as improved penetration through walls and obstruction. The unique power saving feature suits enable lower device energy consumption, yielding energy, increased energy efficiency, multi-year battery operation and support for coin cell solid batteries, Wi-Fi HL. Technology supports various data rates that accommodates use cases from low data sensor network to high data rate video system. New Wi-Fi HLOW physical and MAC capability support thousands of devices per AP while improving radio spectrum use. Because it is part of IEEE 802.11 Wi-Fi portfolio, Wi-Fi ILO is open standard, providing more efficient installation and operating costs without needing property controls. Property controls, hubs or gateway. A Wi-Fi ILO free network can be deployed in presence of existing Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6 network without interfering with the RF performance. Native IP support and advanced security WA3 make accessing cloud-based application over the air updates more streamlined. Uh, just a second. Okay, so significant battery powers, saving. What we'll do, we'll just connect back on the new stream. Let's end it here, and we'll meet for Wi-Fi high-low frequency extending up to 1